old Chevy's going to get loaded, and we're going to take it for a drive, and it's going to a new home. Basically, can't keep them all. That's basically what's going on. Can't keep them all. And you know better than that. I like projects, not running cars. Alrighty. One thing I will say is the old car, the brakes need to be gone over in this thing. I don't think there's much brakes, so this could get exciting. I'm not sure exciting I want it to be, but Henry doesn't go. Henry stays. Henry stays. Keeps an eye on things. Keeps an eye on things. Alrighty. I'm gonna see if this bad boy will start. Jolene, I'm gonna want you up front of the trailer, just kind of, tell me which way to go. It's always nice to have somebody tell you where to go. Not in a bad way, but.
Yeah, a little bit further. Oh, yeah, that's good. You can cut. You've got like a little bit more room to come.
All right. I think I'm up here like a dream.
Perfect. Yeah.
That thing running like a sewing machine. Can I get the door open without hitting it?
Yeah, I think so.
That now, would you? Listen. Right on. That was successful. Nothing to see here. This thing's all the way from Arkansas. Bad old car, Bad old car. Oh, gee, that's some close. Some close on that side, too. I didn't know what I was expecting, but. Didn't know what I was expecting. So me and Jolene are going to have a lovely little drive. A lovely little drive, I'm hoping. Hope it all goes well. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. What do you think, Pierre? It'll all go well, won't it?
Oh yeah.
Yes. It'll all go well.
I'll give you that minute. Sorry. Don't record that. Perfect. Show you in his true form. Captured forever. How heavy is it? Very heavy.
Oh, it's probably heavy. You'll go to my fucking
Now go easy, Noggler. Easy! Fucking boy! I got this side, dude. Okay. You on that side and I'm on this side. Yeah, well, what do you want?
Can you just go straight ahead for now?
He's showing them the rope up to do that. For a very short distance.
Yeah, that'd be great.
You go ahead, Carl.
Good. Perfect. How about, you should be able to, yeah, if you can drag it up that way now, we'll be able to back the trailer in that way. And take it up a bit.
Go ahead a little bit, Carl. Go towards the truck.
We'll just get down on the grass.
We just brought it up. We're from the valley. Yeah. We just sold it to one of the guys here. Joe.
Joey must have bought it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice old car.
Yeah, it is.
Nice old one, buddy. Nice old car.
I like yours too.
It's 52.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a nice old car.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah.
I thought it was a shame.
We'll wait till we get the car off and shit. Then we'll probably turn it around. We'll load this on the front of the trailer. Let that hang off the back. Ow. You got two hands.
Yeah, thanks.
You got two hands.
I'm gonna cut that wire off in the shit. Right? How do you want to go? down if you like.
I probably might. You never know. Yeah, it's not too bad. A little bit of work. Clean her up. But
Yeah, some dings, yeah, but it'll clean up, I think.
the
fairly
hole's
good.
not wrong, is it?
It's not rotten.
What?
The hole's not rotten either.
No? You're doing a pitch, right?
I don't know if that you can leave Carol on the other side. Yeah, we're gonna lose somewhere.
So did you figure out what you want for your imperial sign?
Oh, I'm
Just gonna sell it.
You can make an offer on it if you want. I'll
No,
think
you
about
don't want to sell it. I can't make you. I can't make a good enough offer. You won't sell it to me. All the old cars coming out of the woodwork.
it. Yeah.
Cool. I gotta water my weasel.
Be careful. Take a push. Good job, Jimmy, whatever you did.
I want.
I hope that doesn't have voice on it, Billy.
The choke is the one that's in, not pulled out. You shouldn't need to choke. It should take right off. It should.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, reverse it straight up. You know what reverse is?
Yeah.
Okay.
The,
We can push it off as that goes. You don't start if you don't want to.
the
Watch the video
It's got a little bit of
battery
brake.
wasn't that strong, was it? Remember?
before it gets to the
Well, it
end.
wasn't,
had to
but
boost
it turned
that
it over.
That's
I got it running with the battery. I didn't boost it. I don't think you should have to choke it. I don't think.
Oh my God.
Turn the key on. Push the button. Or not button. Push the floor. Just like that. What's that? What's that? Is she in reverse? It's not in place right now? Well, I'll push y'all. Ready?
Yeah, I think I got almost.
Just straight back. You got brakes. You got brakes. You got brakes.
Steering. You need power steering.
I did.
Times in a row, he said, let me try. You were up in the woods. Oh, my fridge is big, eh?
Okay. I never even put it for sale anywhere.
No?
No? I showed one person. It was in the garage. I showed one person, and they wanted it, and then he said he better stay away from it because he wanted to fix his own project. But other than that, I just never driven it, never anything, never put it for sale. Just kind of kept it. Like I said, we were going to keep it for the car show. We did rid of it then, but he'll be happy with it.
He will be.
Back further, a little bit closer. Or what?
I don't know, maybe.
Let's just see if the three of us can tow it over. I want to slide that sign up in there, obviously. This
Right.
front. And here if we can, with the pole hanging down, maybe.
Well,
Let her come down to me, man. Yep.
now what?
Get on the fender. That's a start. Yep. Watch my fingers. Actually, let's put it. Maybe I should bring it back a little bit, and then we can lay it over there. So if you want to stand it back up.
Pretty
We got more help. All right.
Yeah. Jimmy, don't.
I'm not lifting them. I'll only hold. They win.
Good, I think. Yeah. We're almost good or something. What? I don't know. I don't know if that's one of you. You there? Are you Jim boy? Clear the fender there.
I'd like to get up on top of that fender if we could. Well, if it's slightly better than straight back on the side, if you mean that straight on that fender would be nicer. Maybe I come ahead a little bit.
That would be easier than. I was thinking pull it back some. No,
it's not that easy.
Hey, Sherlock, what are you doing? What's your name? Sherlock. All right, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the. Oh my goodness.
Slide easier on that fender. So if you guys can pick that end up, or you want me to pick it up, or I can pick it up pretty good, but someone else.
Top fender, I'm going to tell you right now.
You're all right there. All right.
You all right?
I'm great. Just I'm going to pick this end up.
Strong like bull.
You guys want to slide it on? Slide her over.
Hold on now. Watch your finger. Watch your finger.
I'm glad you were holding on and helping. That's what I said. That's what I said. What I wanted. Yeah.
All right.
Good.
5.
That's too bad. That's too bad. Thank you. Not long enough. Not long enough, eh? I've got another ratchet strap I can go around that and hook it in there. Shut the truck off.